Yes.
And I called my union rep. He was like, hey, just cover the, you can wear the hat, whatever, but just cover the logo. And we had fun. It was a nice shoot, man. You're here with me live.
Oh, this is my first old gen with the Omni display.
Oh yeah.
6735. Yes, everything is okay.
Good. How's your Thanksgiving? All right.
Oh, my Thanksgiving was awesome. Like,
I saw it. Yeah,
especially like the first time I had to celebrate with my step family. I mean,
that's great. Yeah, I saw the pictures. Next time.
They were juicy. It's a juicy one.
Oh yeah.
And then on the story saying my prayers.
Oh yeah.
I've lived.
Where we do our videos and I did
Costa the magazine. Yes, that's where he does his videos for the news.
Yeah, and then I did stood right in front of the bus over here, and they got me that shot.
Right. You know another thing, I wish I could like ride your Excelsior. Besides like seeing you in the picture with an Excelsior from.
Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, I mean I got them last Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are my favorite shoes out of all that I have.
Yeah.
The Timberlands hashtag.
Oh yeah, I got some. Yeah. All right. For work.
Okay.
Follow that tattoo part over here.
Oh, you followed? Yes.
Yeah, that's JP over here. And this is Ali over here, Casa Magazine, and Muhammad. This is where we do a lot of our shoots. And then the last one that I posted, and then they moved it Saturday, and then the producer called me up Saturday evening. He's like, Louis, we're gonna do it Sunday. So I said, all right, let's do it Sunday. So I had to tell my family, because I got tested. I had to get tested on Thursday for the rapid test to make sure I'm okay.
The COVID, yes.
Yeah, so I was okay and everything. And then we will go ahead for the shoot on Sunday. Sunday morning, I got here at 8:30. We did the shoot. They interviewed one girl, the one that jumped off the bus, and I did the elbow bump. That was Happy, the girl named Happy, but they didn't put her on the interview.
Oh, okay.
I was a little upset about that, but hey, it is what it is.
Yeah.
You know,
one day you'll see me on an interview, which was because there was a channel called like live your best life for you, which is like operated by Dion Nicholas. Nichols. Yeah, because it was back in October where after I was coming from the botanical garden, we're from the botanical garden where like I had to interview with her about like what gives us life, and then so now after that their show started premiering on October 27th,
right? And
so which is why like it would take some weeks where until you could see my video, especially like I would share out a short like trim GIF or video that would tell you that it will help you remember that I was interviewing with
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
Nobody could really take it.
Especially, like, my suggestion is that this old gen doesn't need an Omni because it's about to retire next year because of the XBE 40s.
Yes. Well, actually, this one, about next year or the year after. But they still, they put it up because to accommodate the public.
Yes.
Last trip. Probably every morning. So I leave at 7:45, but she'll come around the corner from her apartment, and sometimes she's running late. She'll text me, Louis, I'm coming down now. And so I used to wait for her like until 7:50, and then she's running to the bus. She used to work up on 11th Avenue where the BMW dealer. Yeah, but it's where Mount Sinai is higher up in the building, right with the BMW.
Interesting.
So I used to, I accommodate my regulars. I always try to take care of them. I take care of everybody. So it makes it easier and convenient. So right now she moved to another location for downtown. So she's working in a different. She's working on the east side. So she texted me yesterday, and she goes, I'm going to get a tattoo across the street at
Okay.
So if you can stop by and say hello. And that's why I did. I'm like, oh, she's there.
Your stop is, yeah, your stop. Oh, no, it's not you.
What's that?
Yeah, because I was just about to go get on the train until, yes, I'm getting
Oh, you
on.
wanted to get up there?
Yeah, but there's no stop for you right there, so
Oh,
that
there
means,
is.
oh, okay.
I'm sorry, I thought you wanted to,
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
I thought, because our bus stop, they moved it forward, the front.
All right.
That's why, yeah.
All right, thank you. Have a
All right,
good
good
day.
to see you, all right?
All right, bye.